how to manage more activity about you notifications on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage more activity about you notifications on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and now click this three lines here and then just go down until you find settings and privacy and then click settings and then go down again and you will find here notifications. Click on it and as you see here you will find more activity about you. All you need to do is just one click and here you can manage more activity about your notifications. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.